Favorite J-Level Mathematics February-March 2026 Paper 1 Solution. The equation of the curve is given. Find the coordinates of the stationary points, which is also known as the turning points of the curve, and determine their nature. Y equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 9. Turning point is the gradient of the curve at the turning point is always equal to 0. So dy by dx is the gradient. Let's find out the first derivative. 3x square minus 6x. This gradient is equal to 0. Let dy by dx equal to 0. So 3x square minus 6x equal to 0. Let's factorize and find the values of x. So 3x times x minus 2, which is equal to 0. One of the value x equal to 0 and the other value x equal to 2. When x equal to 0, y equal to, let's replace x equal to 0 in the given curve. So y equal to 9. One of the turning point or stationary point is 0, 9. And when x equal to 2, y equal to 2 cube is 8. 8 minus 3 fours are 12. 12 plus 9. So y equal to 5. The another stationary point is 2, 5. We found the stationary points of the curve and determine their nature. Let's find out the nature of this point, whether this point is a maximum or minimum. One of the turning point and another turning. Let's find out d square y by dx square. The second derivative of the given curve is 6x minus 6. What is the value at the two stationary points? So d square y by dx square at the point 0, 9, which is 6 times 0 minus 6. So which is equal to minus 6. Minus 6, this is less than 0. The point is maximum. Then at the next point is 2, 5. At 2, 5. So 6 times 2 minus 6, which is equal to 12 minus 6 is 6, which is greater than 0. The point is minimum. So the nature of this stationary point is 0, 9 is a maximum point, and 2, 5 is the minimum point. The diagram shows a triangle ABC. Find the perimeter of the shaded region. Let's find out the perimeter. Perimeter of the shaded region is length of the arc plus this smaller side plus side of the triangle BC. Let's add the three sides. So perimeter is equal to arc length plus BC plus what is this smaller part? The entire length of the side AB is 12 centimeter. Radius of the circle is 9 centimeter. So this is also 9 centimeter. The remaining part is 3 centimeter. We have to add that 3 also. Let's find out BC. BC is equal to, or BC square equal to, by using the cosine rule, 9 square plus 12 square minus 2 times 9 times 12 cos, the radian value angle is given 0.8, which is equal to, by using the calculator, 8.63 centimeter. BC is 8.63 centimeter. Then let us find out the arc length is. Arc length is equal to r theta, which is equal to, radius of the circle is 9 9 times 0.8, which is equal to 7.2 centimeter. So perimeter of this shaded region is, arc length is 7.2 plus 8.63 plus 3. So let's write the answer as a 3 significant figures. So the perimeter of the required shaded region is 18.8 centimeter. Find the area of the shaded region. Area of the shaded region is, which is, let's see the shaded region. The area of the entire triangle minus area of the sector. When we remove this area of the sector from the triangle, we can find out the area of the shaded region. So area of triangle minus area of sector. So area of a triangle, which is a scalene triangle, and the one of the angle is given, so half AB sin theta. Minus area of the sector is half into r square theta. So which is equal to half times 9 times 12 times sine 0.8 is the radian value, minus half times 9 square times theta value is 0.8. By using the calculator, this area is equal to 6.34 centimeter square. This is the required area of the region. Question number 3. The graph y equal to, the equation of the graph y equal to ax square plus bx plus c has its vertex at 3, minus 5. So definitely this is a quadratic graph. Suppose the graph is a quadratic curve, its vertex is 3, minus 5. Definitely this point is a stationary point or the turning point. And the graph intersects the y-axis at 0, 31. It intersects at the point 0, 31. So let's replace x equal to 0 and y equal to 31. So 31 is equal to 0 plus c. C value is 31. We found one of the constant c equal to 31. Then its vertex is 3, minus 5. So this point is 3, minus 5 is a stationary point. Let's find out the stationary point. The stationary point is the gradient of the curve equal to 0. So 2ax plus b, which is equal to 0. At the point 3, minus 5, at 3, minus 5, 2a times 3 plus b, which is equal to 0. So 6a plus b equal to 0. This is one of the equation. Now again, the same point is on the curve itself. So let's, when 3, minus 5, what is y? Y equal to minus 5. So y equal to minus 5, the equation of the graph is y equal to minus 5 is equal to a into 3 square is 9 plus b times 3 plus c value, already we found c value is 31. So this equation is minus 5 is equal to 9a plus 3b plus 31. So this equation is 9a plus 3b plus 31 minus 5, that is plus 36, which is equal to 0. Let's divide by 3 on the throughout the equation. So 3a plus b, which is equal to minus 12, because the first equation also is there. We found the two equation. Let's solve 192. Solve 192. Solve 192. So 3a plus b, which is equal to minus 12, is the second equation, and the first equation is 6a plus b equal to 0. So let's subtract the equation. Minus 3a equal to minus 12. So a equal to 4. A equal to 4. When we replace a equal to 4 in any one of the equation, 3 times 4 plus b, which is equal to minus 12. So b equal to minus 12 minus 12. So b equal to minus 24. We found the values of a, b and c. So a equal to 4 and b equal to minus 24, and already we found the c value is 31. The graph is translated by the vector minus 2 and 7. Find the equation of the translated graph. So x coordinate is translated to minus 2. So x coordinate will be changed to x plus 2, and the whole curve is added to 7. Now we can find out the translated graph. Equation of the curve is, let's replace ABC value, 4x square minus 24x plus 31. Now we can rewrite all the x terms into x plus 2. So y equal to 4 times x plus 2 the whole square minus 24 times x plus 2 plus 31. And the whole curve will be added positive 7. So we have to add positive 7. Y equal to 4 times, let us expand this bracket. So x square plus 4x plus 4 minus 24x minus 48 plus 38. So y equal to, let's remove the bracket. So 4x square plus 16x plus 16 minus 24x minus 48 plus 38 is minus 10. So the required equation of the translated curve is y equal to 4x square minus 8x plus 6. This is the final answer. F is defined by f of x is equal to 2x plus 1 by x minus 3. Find an expression for f inverse of x. Let's rewrite f of x is y equal to 2x plus 1 by x minus 3. Interchange x and y. So all the x is converted to y is converted to x. So x equal to 2y plus 1 by y minus 3. Now make y as the subject. So let us cross multiply xy minus 3x, which is equal to 2y plus 1. So xy minus 2y, because we are making y as the subject, which is equal to 1 plus 3x. Now take y as the common factor, y into x minus 2, which is equal to 1 plus 3x. So y equal to 1 plus 3x divided by x minus 2. This is the required f inverse of x equal to 1 plus 3x by x minus 2. That fx. So what is our f of x? F of x is equal to, f of x is 2x plus 1 by 2x plus 1 by x minus 3 is our f of x. Let's find out f of x. So f of x is equal to, in this f of x we have to replace all the x by the throughout the function. So 2 times 2x plus 1 by x minus 3 plus 1 divided by 2x plus 1 by x minus 3 minus 3. Now we can simplify the numerator. Let's remove the bracket. So 4x plus 2 plus 1 into x minus 3. So x minus 3 the whole divided by x minus 3. This is our entire numerator, and the denominator is 2x plus 1 minus 3x plus 9 divided by x minus 3. This x minus 3 we can cancel. So the remaining terms are f of x is f of x is equal to 4x plus x is 5x. 5x plus 2 minus 3 is minus 1 divided by 2x minus 3x is minus x. So minus x plus 10. Let's rewrite this expression as 5x minus 1 divided by 10 minus x. Now we are going to equate our given f of x. So px plus q, which is equal to px plus q divided by r plus sx. So what is the value of p? P equal to 5, q equal to minus 1, r equal to 10 and s equal to minus 1. Prove the identity. Let's take a left hand side. Left hand side is 1 by 1 minus sine theta plus 1 by 1 plus sine theta. So our denominator is going to be by LCM 1 minus sine theta times 1 plus sine theta. 1 plus sine theta. So numerator is going to be 1 into 1 plus sine theta. So 1 plus sine theta plus 1 minus sine theta. So this is equal to plus sine theta minus sine theta will be cancelled. The denominator is going to be, numerator is 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 by 1 minus, that is 1 minus sine square theta. So 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta. So 2 by cos square theta, which is RHS. Hence we proved. Hence solve the equation theta lies between 0 to 360 degree. What are the possible values of theta? Our given expression is 1 by, but here B part which is given 3 by. So from this equation we can take 3 as a common factor. So 3 times 1 by 1 minus sine theta plus 1 by 1 plus sine theta, which is equal to 12. Now we can replace this identity 1 by 1 minus sine theta plus 1 by 1 plus sine theta, which is equal to 2 by cos square theta, which is already we proved. So 3 times 2 by cos square theta, which is equal to 12. So 3 times 2 is 6. 6 by cos square theta, 6 by cos square theta, which is equal to 12. So cos square theta is equal to, cos square theta is equal to 6 by 12. The simplified form is cos square theta is equal to, cos square theta is equal to 1 by 2. So cos theta is equal to plus or minus square root of 1 by root 2. Now here one of the value is cos theta is positive 1 by root 2 and cos theta is negative 1 by root 2. Negative 1 by root 2. Here in this case, here cos is positive. Here cos is first quadrant and cos is positive in the fourth quadrant. Cos is negative in the second quadrant and third quadrant. So when cos is positive, theta is equal to, so theta is equal to cos of, theta is cos inverse of 1 by root 2 value is 45 degree. So 45 degree, and the fourth quadrant is 360 minus 45. 360 minus 45 degree, which is equal to 315 degree. And when cos is negative, which is second quadrant and the third quadrant, that is 180 minus 45. So another theta value is 180 minus 45, and the third quadrant is theta is 180 plus 45. So 180 minus 45 degree is 135 degree, and 180 plus 45 degree is 225 degree. So all the possible values are, so theta is equal to, the required values are 45 degree, 135 degree, 225 degree, and 315 degree. These are the possible values of theta. The equation of the circle is x square plus y square, x square plus y square equal to 45 by 4. This is in the form of x square plus y square equal to r square. So here the center of the circle is at the origin. Center is at the origin, that is 0, 0, and the radius of the circle is r square is equal to 45 by 4. So r equal to square root value. R is equal to square root of 45 by 4. Let's take only the positive value. So here the radius is 3 root 5 by 2. This is the radius of the circle. See part B, the line x plus y equal to 3 by 2. Line x plus y equal to 3 by 2. This line is intersects the circle. Equation of the circle, which is given x square plus y square equal to 45 by 4. These both are intersecting at the point A and B. So let us solve the both equation to get the value of the points A and B. After finding the points A and B, let us find out the distance between AB. So from the equation of the line, y equal to 3 by 2 minus x. Let's replace y equal to 3 by 2 minus x in this given equation of the circle. So x square plus 3 by 2 minus x the whole square, which is equal to 45 by 4. Now we can expand the bracket. So x square plus 9 by 4 minus 3 2s are 6 by 2x plus x square, which is equal to 45 by 4. So x square plus x square is 2x square. 2x square minus 3x plus 9 by 4 minus 45 by 4, which is equal to 0. Let's simplify. 2x square minus 3x minus 36 by 4, which is equal to 0. So 2x square minus 3x minus 9 equal to 0. Let us factorize. The product of the two factors are minus 18. The added value is minus 3. So required factors are 6 and 3. The highest one is minus 6. So divided by the coefficient of x square, which is 2. Here put the denominator as 1 more x. So here the simplified form is minus 3. So one of the factor is x minus 3 and the other factor is 2x plus 3, which is equal to 0. So the required values of x equal to 3 and x equal to minus 3 by 2. When x equal to 3, what is our y value? When x equal to 3, y is 3 by 2 minus 3. So y is 3 by 2 minus 3. So which is equal to minus 3 by 2. So one of the point is 3 comma minus 3 by 2. And the other point, when x equal to minus 3 by 2, y equal to 3 by 2, minus of minus is plus 3 by 2. So 6 by 2 is equal to 3. So the second point is minus 3 by 2 comma 3. Now we can consider a point A and the second point is B. So find out the distance between AB. AB is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So 3 plus 3 by 2 the whole square plus minus 3 by 2 minus 3 the whole square, which is equal to here 9 by 2. So 81 by 4 plus similarly here also 81 by 4. Put in the root. The simplified form is 81 is a perfect square. So square root of 9 by 4 times 9 plus 9, which is equal to 3 by 2 times square root of 18. Square root of 18 is 3 root 2. So the distance between the 2 points is 9 by 2 root 2 units.